Welcome to our channel Indian Legends Alpha Laboratory ILL Language Learning System Part 2. In the functional level, we will analyze the statement language is an art, but language learning is a science. So, about that in the previous episode we have discussed that language learning is an art, but language learning is a science in the physical level. But now we will discuss that same thing in the functional level. The first point, decoding a language begins with the ear. When we try to understand a language, that process starts with our ear. The incoming sounds are summed up in the auditory nerve as electrical signals. So, those incoming sounds, they assemble together in the auditory nerve as electrical signals. Then they are delivered to the auditory cortex. So, these electrical signals, then they are delivered, they are transported to the auditory cortex. Here neurons extract auditory objects from that signal. So, in this auditory cortex, the neurons present there extract auditory objects from the signal. After hearing and analyzing the sounds by the cortex, the temporofrontal networks located in the left hemisphere will proceed to syntactic and semantic identification. They classify words and find their corresponding themes. So, after that, this hearing and analyzing the sounds by the cortex, the temporofrontal network which is present in the left hemisphere, it starts the semantic and syntactic identification. Here they classify the words and they try to associate that one with the corresponding themes. Then the next step is the sentence level analysis. Here this action is again supported by the right hemisphere's temporofrontal network. So, from this we can understand that what a kind of supercomputer is the human brain. So, we are astonished by the power of the computer or the supercomputer, but we forget that the God has given us a better supercomputer than the supercomputer that we can see. That supercomputer is nothing but our brain. So, we should try to utilize that supercomputer in the best possible way. If we will try to use that one in the best way, definitely it will be an advantage for the mankind, and the advantages will be really very surprising if it will be used in the proper way. Then language learning in adults and children. Till the last decade, numerous studies were conducted to compare the language learning system of the adults and the children. Number of studies, number of surveys were conducted up to the last decade to find out the language learning differences in the case of the adults and the children to make a comparison. But nowadays, this is done through modern imaging and electroencephalography. Through that, we use the comparison between the language learning system of adults and the children. These show the following points. Children begin with a very flexible brain. As we all know, the brain of the children, they are very flexible. They start learning the language with that flexible brain. This gives them the ability to acquire the language they are exposed to. So, because of that, they are in an advantageous position to acquire the language to which they are exposed. Children learn the words with equal ease either by listening, that is auditory coding, or by seeing, that is visual coding. This enables the children to crack the speech code of any language in a better way. This is the second advantage of the children. For them, the auditory coding and the visual coding means by seeing as well as by hearing, they can crack the speech code of any language. That gives them the advantage to learn the language either by seeing or by hearing. It is equal in the case of the children. but in the case of the adult, it creates a problem. It has been found from the research that up to the age of 7 or 8, the children can learn and speak any number of languages without committing any error or without any hesitation. They can speak fluently and without having any accent of any other language. Then the fourth thing that has been found out through this modern technology, the maturation of child's brain is accompanied by myelination. Myelination is the process of formation of myelin sheath around the nerves to allow the nerve impulses to move more quickly. So, the maturation of the child's brain is accompanied by myelination. Myelination is a process where the myelin sheath around the nerves are formed and it gives an advantage to the children. Here the nerve impulses, they move very quickly. Now the child achieves higher speed of neuronal communication. The neuronal communication becomes faster in the case of children. This boosts the data transfer rates. As a result, the data transfer rates are becoming higher. At the same time, it constrains cognitive functions and decreases the plasticity of the brain. But at the same time, it is an advantage, but at the same time, it is also an disadvantage, because it decreases the plasticity of the brain and it constrains the cognitive ability of the brain. So, it becomes harder for the adults to learn new languages. This is all about the language learning system part 2. Thank you all. Have a nice and wonderful day. Jai Hind. Thank you. For upcoming videos, never forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. To get updated notification, press the bell icon.